Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check start date of iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, open your settings app, then scroll down and select General. Tap on About at the top. And here you'll find important details about your iPhone, including the serial number. While the activation date isn't available directly on your iPhone, you can use a third-party website to get it. Tap and hold the serial number, select Copy, and then open a web browser. Head over to a site like iUnlocker.net. This website, among others, can display information such as the purchase date, warranty status, activation date, and authenticity. Perfect if you have bought an iPhone secondhand and want to verify it. After passing in your serial number, the site will process the information and a spinning wheel will indicate it is working. You may be given options for a paid version with additional details, but the free version should be enough for basic information. It can take a minute or two, and sometimes you may need to try another website if it is slow. So if you are checking your iPhone's activation date, give iUnlocker.net a try. And that is everything you need to know about how to check start date of iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.